the requirements are, there is a video that is provided by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife. It is a mandatory video for anyone participating in water sports in the Kings Bay area. We also ask that you bring sunscreen. If not, if you don't have any, don't worry, we sell it here. You probably would want a hat or some clothing to cover yourself up in case of sun, as well as make sure that you do bring plenty of water to hydrate yourself. It is also recommended that you be somewhat physically capable. However, basically you can paddle at your leisure, so if you're more physically capable, you can paddle as much as you like. If you're less capable, you can paddle less.